Hello everyone, so if you want to enable Google Assistant on the lock screen of your Motorola Razr 50, first of all, we are to locate our Google application. Here it is. Now, after you located your Google application, at the top right corner, find your account icon, choose it. Now find your settings, and in your settings, we're to locate our Google Assistant option. So open it up, now press Hey Google in a voice match and enable the switch near our Hey Google option. I agree to terms by tapping More and then pressing I agree. Do that once again, More, I agree. Alright, now our Hey Google is ready. Press Next. So in order to make it work correctly, let's retrain a voice model. So choose this option, and now we have to follow the simple on-screen instructions. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain me how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And basically that's it. Now our Hey Google is ready. So press Next.
Sorry, I'm still learning how to be a helpful AI. Thanks for your patience.
Alright, now go back into your settings and make sure to choose your lock screen option. So this is an essential thing for enabling our Google Assistant on the lock screen. So make sure that the switch glows with blue color ends in this position. Now let's try how it works. So let's turn off our lock screen. Let's turn it back. And now let's say something. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
The weather is currently 55 degrees Fahrenheit with a light rain.
And as you see, it works perfectly. Well, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.